So will you be sent terrible orders if your acceptance rating is really low? The short answer is no. I still get great orders when I'm out here dashing, even though my acceptance rating is really low. I'm living proof, and I can show you the proof up here. Let's take a look at my numbers from last night. This was Friday, July 2nd, 2021. My numbers, my orders from the restaurants I got orders from. And these are pretty good orders. You know what I mean? I had a pretty good Friday. You know, I worked 10 hours and I did 17 orders and I made $236 or something like that. You won't get punished, y'all. You won't get terrible orders. You know, keep declining those orders. You know, there's nothing to worry about except for making more money. Let's get it. Hey, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out my channel. And thank you to my subscribers already. I got 29 subscribers as of right now. Thank y'all so much. I hope I can help y'all out a little bit with these little tips I'll be giving out. As a beginner dasher, I made so many mistakes. It was terrible. But now I'm doing great, and I just want to help everybody else do great. So let's get it. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. And I hope you kill it this weekend. Let's get it.